I'm going to model one more way to solve this problem. These are the three I've shown you are ones that we use quite frequently in class. So this one is called the area model, and it's basically thinking about 24 and 35 as the two dimensions of a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a picture of that. This would be my side with 24, and this would be my side with 35. Now the key with this strategy is to break those into friendly numbers. So let's say if 24 is the total, let's say that this much is 20, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. And I'm going to label those so my teacher knows what I'm thinking. And let's cut that 20 apart and make it 10 and 10. Actually, that's even friendlier. Then with the 35, I can do the same thing. 10, 10, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10, 10, and 5. So then the job is to multiply these numbers together. Right here, if I use these two 10s as my two dimensions, I come up with a square with an area of 100. Same thing here, and same thing here. Once I see that pattern, I might see that I could do this 10 times all three of those 10s at once and get 300, and that would be more efficient. Over here I have this 10 times this 5, that's 50, and another 10 times 5 is another 50. And then at the bottom, I'm doing this 4 times this 10, that's 40. Another 10 times 4 is another 40, and here's a third. And then the last thing is this 4 times this 5, and that's 20. This strategy is a really nice one for kids to be able to see how you can break numbers apart so that they're friendlier, and then put them back together to find your answer. So now my job is to add all of these up. So I might notice, and I'll grab a different color to demonstrate this, that there's all these hundreds, and I could do that mentally. So right there, that's 6 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, and 300 more. That's 600. Then right here, there's another 100. Those two 50s. Right here is, let's take those two and make 80. And let's take these two and make 60. So it just streamlines the adding a little bit to make it not quite so many steps. And then I can add those up. So 0, I get a 14 here, and I get 8 in the hundreds column. And my answer is 840. So again, this is called the area model, and this is another one we've been working with quite a lot.